Hello guys, and welcome to Basic Tutorial. And in this video, I will teach you how to check the Windows version of your laptop or PC. So first thing you have to do is left-click on the Windows icon located on the lower left side of your screen. Click Settings. Click Update and Security. Now you will be automatically redirected to this Windows Update tab. Or if not, just click Windows Update on the menu bar. Now in the Windows Updated tab, find and click OS Build Info. Scroll down and look for Windows Specifications. Under the Windows Specifications, you can see what kind of version of Windows you have. In my computer, I have the Windows 10 Pro, and if you reach this part of the video, I will teach you the easiest way to check your Windows version. Let me just close all of this. So what you need to do is hold the Windows. And while holding the Windows key, now click the letter R. Now a Windows run will appear. Just type WinVer and click OK. Now your Windows version will then appear. So what kind of Windows version do you have on your laptop or PC? Let me know down in the comments section. And that is how to check the Windows version of your PC or laptop. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more video tutorials. Thank you.